Hey guys, it's Taylor Newman and welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe now. Now I'm going to show you guys a product that my boyfriend bought me for Valentine's Day that I'm absolutely in love with. It's the One Step Hair Dryer from Revlon. Now this has changed my life. I have really curly hair and when it dries it's like literally this big. I usually use a regular blow dryer to straighten out my hair instead of using a straightener because I find that a straightener just kind of makes my hair really flat and kind of damages it with, you know, all of that heat. So when I got this present, it kind of changed my life forever because as much as I did like blow drying my hair straight, it took such a long time, especially with how curly my hair is. So now this has taken my blow drying time from an hour to around 20 minutes. And I'm gonna show you guys, you know, what I do to make my hair blow dried straight with this product. Now this is it. This one has a round brush. You can buy one with a straight brush, but I kind of like to twist when I'm doing my hair because it kind of creates that volume that everyone's looking for. Now, it has that built-in blow dryer and it's just amazing. Now, don't look too closely because I have a bunch of hair stuck onto this thing that I really need to take out. Okay, that's gross. But yeah, this product is amazing and I've been wanting to share it with you guys because anytime we can cut getting ready for the morning or to go out at night, you know, us girls, we take a long time. If you're cutting your time from an hour to 20 minutes, that's a huge difference. So it's pretty great and it's around like $55 to $59 on Amazon and it's great. With a blow dryer, you get really hot, your hands are burning, your hair is burning, and with this, it doesn't get too hot. So it's great, you just keep brushing through and it's so simple. It's so simple. So here I'm gonna show you how I do my hair every morning. So I always part my hair in sections when I do this, just so we can get that perfect look, especially because my hair starts to curl right at the roots. So if I start brushing right at the roots and come down, then my hair will be straight from here on out. It's shiny and sleek and it has still some volume. Like my hair never loses that like curl at the bottom. With the round brush, it really helps to keep, you know, that volume. I haven't tried the flat one, but I mean, I'm sure it does the same thing. I like to have my hair, you know, voluminous. So I've already done like half of my hair and it's only been under 5 minutes, which is a pretty big deal. It literally just brushes straight, which is just amazing to me because of how curly my hair is. Also, I'd like to say if you do use this product, it's not necessary, but I do like to put a kind of a leave-in conditioner or I have this, the voluptuous, I cannot read, voluptuous full and plush blowout. It's from Garnier and it smells really good, and it really helps to keep your hair not frizzy when you're doing this, because you don't want to have flyaways going and stuff. Like, it looks weird and frizzes. So like, it stays pretty nicely when you leave in like a leave-in conditioner or something. Okay. And it's like bouncy. You want bounce. You don't want to have like dead fish hair, because when I straightened my hair, like throughout the years, I've damaged my hair, and my hair just looked flat and without life. And people want to see that your hair has life. It wants to breathe and it wants to bounce and have fun. Like, your hair is like a plant. You have to take care of it and it will grow healthy. If you don't take care of your hair, then it shall die. Okay, that was dramatic, but let me just get back to it. I do also recommend not to put your hand too close to this part when you're doing it, because it does actually get hot. But like, if you keep it here, you're fine. Like, it never gets hot down here. But like, the closer you get to, you know, where the actual blow dryer is built into the brush, it can burn you. So definitely be careful with that. Because they literally just looked like the girl from The Ring. Okay, so that's it. I blow dried my hair. It does such a good job. I don't know if you can tell, but my hair is super curly, and that took under 20 minutes. I've never actually timed it before, so this is the first time that I've timed it with my camera. And with my intro and everything, it really only took like 15 minutes to do my hair. Like I said, big deal, especially when you're going from an hour to 15 to 20 minutes to do your hair in the morning. So yeah, I definitely recommend this product. It's absolutely great. It's almost like a miracle for me, because my hair is so curly. I never thought that there would be a product out there that would literally like brush my hair straight. So this product, amazing, only like $55 on Amazon. And it has changed my life for the better, because I'm not wasting an hour of my life getting ready in the morning or at night to go out. You know, it's just fast, it's easy, and it looks good. It literally looks like you just got a blowout at some fancy salon. Like, it's pretty great. Anyways, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and definitely subscribe. See you guys later.